Hi there, students. A bon vivant. Okay, a person who enjoys the luxuries in life, especially good quality food and drink. Yeah, he's a real bon vivant. He goes to parties 3 times a week. He eats in the best restaurants. He drinks the finest wines. One of the problems, though, is to be a bon vivant, you need to have money. And most of us are too busy working and trying to get enough to get by. Okay, let's see. You could also say a bon viveur, but this one isn't French. Also, I was wondering about it as well, the plural. I think one bon vivant, two bon vivants with an S, two bon vivants. But I think you could also say bons vivants. Yeah, but well, um, the problem is in French these final syllables, these final consonants disappear. So a bon vivant, this comes directly from French. Bon meaning good and vivant living, liver. So somebody who lives well is a bon vivant. Yeah, a good liver, a person who lives a good life, a man about town. Yeah, somebody who enjoys all the good things in life. Yeah, but as I said, you've got to have free time for that. I think also a bon vivant is somebody with a refined taste. Yeah, they live very luxuriously. So maybe this person is also a foodie, a gourmet, a connoisseur, but also they're a hedonist and they're looking for the good things in life, what is defined as the best. Yeah, so, well, I think we would all like to be bon vivants, but I'm not sure we can all afford it, and that's the problem with it. Yeah, he was a bon vivant and a great patron of the arts. Okay, so a bon vivant, somebody who lives well, yeah, who devotes themselves to a luxurious lifestyle with lots of socializing. They live high off the hog. Yeah, so he was a rock star, a bon vivant, and a womanizer. Okay, so maybe he had all the characteristics. Yeah, just enjoying the luxuries of life. So formality. I think I would probably give it 5.5 in formality. I think you can use it anywhere. Generally, these French terms sound a little bit posh. Yeah, so it sounds a little on the posh side. I think it's why I've given it 5.5 instead of just 5. But I would say effectively use it anywhere. Yeah, so I guess a connoisseur of the good life, a hedonist, somebody who enjoys all the best things. Don't we all wish? So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A bon vivant.